All right, we're back. We are gonna work on the Silverado again. Liam has been telling me to hurry up and fix this door molding, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, and Liam is gonna do it. All right, here's that door trim. Liam, shows what's wrong with it.
Here.
It's coming apart. Yeah, the sun eats them up and they just start peeling off. So we're gonna go ahead and fix that, right, Liam?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna slowly start taking this off. In our case, we got pretty lucky and we don't have to use a heat gun. Keep going down. There you go. Wait. So now you're gonna bring this back up and you're gonna start pulling it from the bottom here. From the bottom, slowly, all right? Only the bottom. Keep going down. There you go. But that was easy, huh? All right, let's look. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and have to use this eraser that we bought to take out this adhesive.
Okay.
So we're gonna go ahead and clean this up first, and then we're gonna go ahead and use the little eraser. Liam's ready.
Yeah.
All right, so we saw this eraser. It's been used for this specifically. The glue gun's not gonna work. We already did our research. So we're gonna go ahead and have Liam do this. I'm gonna guide him a little bit and let's see how he does.
Okay. I think we need the spray.
This eraser, actually, it's like an eraser, and then it gets all over the place. But so far, this is how it is. Liam cleaned it up a little bit. It came off pretty smooth. It is kind of a little workout, so your hand will get tired, fatigued. All right, we're gonna go ahead and continue. Came off pretty easy. So now we just have a little bit of residue. We have some solution to take off this adhesive. So we're gonna go ahead and spray it down. All right, so it looks like we have a little problem, but it's fine. So the eraser, I guess we applied a little too much pressure on here, and it kind of created like a little, not to off, I guess, a clear coat, but not so much. It's not deep. Too bad I don't have a polisher, or else I would do it. but it's all gonna get covered anyways. And as long as my son is learning and he's doing what he wants to do, that's all that matters. So this still has some adhesive on there dried up, so we're gonna go ahead and use some goof off. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and use this 3M super strength molding tape. We're gonna go ahead and cut out the measurements, both sides, bottom and top, and then both ends. Alright, go ahead and pick it up. Alright, well, we did it. We're done. See you guys next time.
Bye.